History is full of secrets, but some truths were deliberately hidden, changed, or erased to control what people believe about the past. What if everything we learned in school was only part of the story, while the most important facts remained hidden from us? Throughout history, powerful rulers edited events to appear stronger, removing details that could weaken their authority or influence public opinion. Some discoveries were never shared publicly, because revealing them could challenge accepted knowledge and raise difficult questions about our past. Truth has power, and sometimes that power can change beliefs, influence societies, and reshape how we understand human civilization. One of the greatest mysteries exists beneath ancient pyramids, where hidden chambers may still contain important clues about forgotten history.
Modern technology has revealed unusual underground structures, suggesting ancient builders may have possessed advanced engineering knowledge far ahead of their time.
Interestingly, many details about these findings were never fully explained, leaving researchers searching for answers even in modern times. Lost civilizations also present mysteries, as advanced structures appear in places where technology was believed to be extremely limited. Massive structures were built with incredible precision, raising questions about how ancient people achieved such perfection without modern machines. Historians continue to debate whether forgotten techniques or lost knowledge helped ancient builders create structures that still stand today. Ancient libraries once stored knowledge that may have changed history, but many of those valuable records were destroyed over time. Ancient libraries once stored knowledge that may have changed history, but many of those valuable records were destroyed over time. It is often said that history is written by the winners, meaning some perspectives may have been removed intentionally. As time passes, the original truth can slowly disappear, leaving behind stories shaped by power and influence. What we know today may only represent a small part of the complete human story. Subscribe now to explore more hidden truths, mysteries, and untold stories from the depths of history.